All right, EPT. It is May 4th, and I'm just here to bring you your next new assignment. It's kind of a fun one, I think. It'll be, not so bad in the grand scheme of things. You're looking at it right here. It's kind of a two-parter. Neither part's too stressful. What I'm asking you to do here, I'll flip over to this one here, is basically make me a catapult, and I've got a YouTube video right here. This is actually something we would have actually done in school. It's my first project that we do before we actually get into building trebuchets, as we kind of just do a simple catapult. Now, there's a few catches here. I'll kind of play this and mute my audio here. This guy, the way he does it, if I do this, I think it'll capture the screen. The way he makes this catapult, he says you're going to need. I'm not sure if he lists the materials or just says them. He uses hot glue to glue the joints together. I'm pretty sure I think you can still make it work with tape. So the only thing you really need is some paper, an elastic band, and tape or hot glue. So if you see right here, he's gluing the joints together. He tapes the rolls of paper together, and he glues the joints. You should be able to just like wrap those in tape if you want. But he shows you how to do the whole thing. He shows you basically what you're going to do is you're going to roll the paper up into tubes like this. Roll the paper up and tape them, and then cut them. Here you can see the tape. And then he shows you how many to make and all that stuff, and you cut them to length. He uses hot glue to join them together, but like I said, you should be able to just tape them instead. And then you attach an elastic band. So I would believe that this would be something everybody could do. If you you could use flyer paper. If you don't have any like computer paper, you could use the flyers, or it should be, if you look in your recycling, there should be something you can use for the if you can't make paper tubes and you just want to use like pieces of cardboard, that's fine too. You just find the tubes will be a little bit stronger for you. If you don't have a traditional elastic band, you could use like a hair elastic or something. But like I said, you should be able to track them down. Produce, a lot of like vegetables and stuff come wrapped in elastic bands. So when your parents get groceries, you should be able to use one of those if you don't have one in the house. But anyway, I would expect you can track this down. So I think this is something everybody can do. And the launching basket, see if we can find it here. He glues on, it's just like a water bottle cap or something. So anything will do for that. And so what I'm looking for to basically get your free 10 points is I'm looking for you to take a video of yourself successfully launching your own catapult in your own house. It can just be like a 2-second long video. It just needs to be like a clip of you showing me that you made it, and you'll get your value. The other part of the assignment is just to answer these 2 questions based on this website. So if you go to this website, it's just a brief history of catapults. It's not like crazy long or anything. Just gives you a little bit of information. Answer those 2 questions. Sorry, my bar there. Yeah, okay, so answer these 2 questions. The key difference between trebuchets, mangonels, and ballistas, and then describe how a trebuchet works. And you can do those in a separate document that I've created right here, and submit. And I'll give you guys almost a week to do that, which is plenty of time. The catapult thing, I mean, normally we'd spend maybe a class and a half building those catapults. So, if you leave yourself about an hour to make it, that's probably plenty of time unless you run into problems. If you have any issues, the drill. You can shoot me a message. I see a couple people have been submitting stuff, like catching up on work and submitting stuff. So after I get off here, I'm gonna go in and get everything marked and updated. So probably by the time you're watching this video, you can look on PowerSchool and see your updated marks, or on Google Classroom as well. All right, I think that's it. Thanks everybody. Hope you're having a good time. Hope everybody got a nice little sunburn yesterday, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay.